Be advised, the opinions and views of the hosts and guests do not reflect those of the station.
Magandang umaga po sa inyo. Welcome to our show, Usapang Kalusugan. Nawa po sa umagang ito, marami kayong matututunan tungkol sa inyong katawan at kung paanong pangalagaan ang kalusugan na binigay sa inyo ng Panginoon. Alright, sa umaga pong ito, ang ating panauhin ay katulad ng ating dating programa, ang ating kapatid na si Vic Chua, si Brother Vic Chua, ang trustee po ng PICAM, na matagal na rin nating suki. At saka meron tayong very special guest po today na marahil nakilala nyo in our past programs. Wala na pong iba kundi si Dr. Marisa Torre. Siya po ay a homeopathic physician, member din siya ng American College for the Advancement in Medicine. At saka po siya ay chemist, doktora din at napakadaming nalalaman lalong-lalo na po sa anti-aging at sa chelation therapy, sa natural, nutritional, herbal, and preventive medicine. Okay, so sa umaga pong ito, sisikapin namin sagutin ang maraming mga tanong na naiipon dito, na marami naman dyan, napakaganda. Huwag lang niyo po kakalimutan na hindi po kami pwede dito sa programa, maski na si Dr. Marisa, we cannot diagnose, neither can we prescribe over the television airwaves, but we can give you wonderful and useful tips kung paano maibalik ang ating kalusugan sa maayos na kalagayan sa pamamagitan ng marahil paggamit ng maraming mga bagay na hindi naman mahal at natural at madaling hanapin at kunin. Okay? This does not mean na huwag niyong papansinin ng doktor at hindi naman namin din sinasabing gagawin niyo dapat yun. At ang sinasabi lang natin dito, mas magandang mauunawaan ninyo ang ginagawa ng different healing modalities o paraan ng pagpapabalik ng kalusugan kung naiintindihan ninyo ang inyong sarili, ang inyong katawan, ang inyong lifestyle, ang inyong emotional makeup. Alright, so ngayong umaga po, umpisahan na natin at napakadami pa nitong mga tanong na kailangan natin na tingnan, ano? Dito na dumating mula kay Cleo, 60 years old of San Juan City, 0922-344-0050. Ang problema ko po ay ang aking mata. Nagpa-x-ray na po ako. Ang resulta po ay may puti po daw ang likod ng retina. Nasa sinapupunan pa daw ako ng mother ko. Hanggang sa ako'y kanyang isinilang ay meron na daw ako noon. Hindi po daw na ito na-operahan. Well, ang aking nakikita dito, ang in effect sinasabi sa kanya ng diagnosis based on an x-ray na genetic. It's inherited. Ano ba ang take on doon? Is that condition of the whitening at the very back of the eye essentially a genetic condition? Because I don't know if you are 50 years old whether they can pinpoint and say this is genetic. I'm just not sure that is truly the case. Ano masasabi mo doon, Doktora?
Dapat po talaga makita muna ng isang ophthalmologist, ma-check talaga kung anong pinagmulan, no? Itong pagkakaroon niya ng sinasabi niyang genetic. Kasi maaaring sinabi lang na genetic, pero dapat po ma-check talaga muna ng isang ophthalmologist para makita natin kung ano talagang problema.
Ako, in your experience, pagka nagkaroon ba ng ganung problema, it's really inoperable.
Maari pong isang, kung talagang
kung nandun sa likod ng mata, no? Kasi meron yung puti sa katarata, iba yun.
Iba pa rin po yun.
Sa likod ng lente yun, di ba? Nandun yung cornea mo, yun. Minsan namumuti talaga yun. At minsan sa lifestyle at katandaan, lumalala yung katarata. Pero marami namang cataract removal operations or lens replacement operations, that's very safe, hindi problema. Pero ito yung sinasabi, hindi dito sa ibabaw ng mata, kundi dito sa likod. Brother Vic, ano kaya pwedeng gawin doon? Na kung merong ganung situation, does that mean that there has been an accumulation of toxic matter
Pwede rin
dun
po.
sa likod?
Pwede rin po.
Pwedeng ganun ang mangyari. So how would you deal with that toxicity that's been around for I don't know how many years?
Tagal na.
You know, during the development of the fetus, there might be some kind of a free radical damage that was induced
Antioxidant.
in the development of the retina.
Ah.
So, in general naman, if there is some kind of a obstruction or some kind of a problem, I have encountered a certain father of it, a well-known, not well practitioner, na biglang sinabi sa kanya, you know, my cataract nawala. What did you
Pero
do?
katarata yun.
Yeah.
Not exactly the same.
Yeah, going into that, no? Sabi ng anak niya, what did you do? Sabi, well, what I did was only take, proanthocyanidin. What does it mean? It means a certain antioxidant that comes in and they can cross the blood-brain barrier, that can come in and then neutralizes or even react
That's
towards
proanthocyanidin.
proanthocyanidin. Yung proanthocyanidin mostly are from the yung grapeseed extract.
Grapeseed extract.
Galing sa balat ng sa buto
Ubas.
ng ubas.
So that is the story. In other words, in general naman, in naturopathic medicine, napakalaking role ang antioxidant in cases of neutralizing free radicals.
All right, that may be. But is there any possibility that there might be also other things that one can take in order for the body to cope with toxic matter? Kasi ang toxic matter naman sa atin, hindi lang galing sa free radicals.
Yes.
You know, if for example, palagay mo, no, lalo na kung marami kang amalgam sa bibig mo, nagkakaroon ng mercury leaching, is it possible that even during gestation period sa tiyan sa sinapupunan ng ina, naaapekto
Na-absorb po.
yung fetus at yung bata, na-absorb yung mercury poisoning, and that may be a very, very small quantity. Pero over time, ganun na nagiging epekto.
We don't know
Hard to tell, no?
We don't know how to justify that.
Yeah.
But here is where nakikita mo ng dakilang Diyos, yung dinesign nitong katawan nito. Meron tayong free radical scavenger. Dalawang napaka-importante. The glutathione and the superoxide dismutase. Itong inherent sa ating katawan na nag-produce tayo. What happens is, if there's an overload of free radicals,
immune system.
Then we need help from the outside.
Okay, actually, dalawa yung mabutit na banggit mo, kapatid na Vic, sapagkat ang antioxidants, dalawang klase, yung exogenic at saka, in other words, what is either
Coming
produced by the body or taken from
the outside.
Supplementation from the outside. Yung galing sa katawan is the production of superoxide dismutase, glutathione, at saka catalase. Pero kung wala yung sangkap para i-produce yan, ngayon kailangan mong dadagdagan ng intake mo para maano yan. Sapagkat meron kasing super antioxidant na kaya lang puksain ng superoxide dismutase, yung tinatawag na SOD. Parang ginagawang less effective so that the glutathione and the catalase can then deal with it. No? Yeah. And then the other part is vitamin supplementation for antioxidants to handle other more ordinary free radicals, di ba?
Another point is that when there is insufficiency, there are two ways of approach. Bibigyan mo ng yung direct approach, bigyan mo ng glutathione, which actually, to the viewers, napaka-importante ang tanda nila.
Alam na nila dyan, pampaputi ng balat
Hindi rin pwedeng halimbawa, you just take it orally kasi pagdating sa gastric system, nade-degrade, di ba, doktora, no?
Yeah.
So, ang mangyayari nito, we usually find out na ang mga alternative practitioner, they prescribe precursor.
Ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng precursor?
Ibig sabihin nun, bago siyang dumating sa glutathione, dapat meron siyang mga component, amino acid,
para magawa ng katawan
niya.
Process.
In other words, parang raw materials for the production of glutathione or catalase or superoxide dismutase.
And normally, what they have is the amino acid, cysteine, glycine, and glutamic acid, which everybody knows, di ba? Kaya yun ang precursor para mag-produce ang katawan ng